Hi students, welcome to Verbal Ability Training Program. So students, in the previous class you have learned about nouns and today we are going to learn about pronouns. Students, I would like to introduce myself to you. My name is Meenakshi Singh and we at MIT are taking care of overall development of our students. So students, you may be wondering as to why we are learning parts of the speech. The idea is to make you proficient in the language, right? बिकॉज स्पोकन इंग्लिश हो या रिटन इंग्लिश हो मोस्टली जो हम लोगों के एरर्स होते हैं ग्रामेटिकल एरर्स होते हैं वो रिलेटेड होते हैं तो पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीच से या टेंस से या सेंटेंस नरेशन से राइट या वो वॉइस से रिलेटेड हो सकते हैं एंड स्टूडेंट सेंटेंस स्ट्रक्चरिंग इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट if we want to get clarity in it, we need to be thorough with parts of a speech. So, students, this is the reason why we are learning parts of a speech again, right? For our students, we have started right from the scratch level so that we can train you on each and everything as far as proficiency in language is concerned. So, students, I would like to tell what are pronouns. In the previous class, you learned about nouns. Nouns are naming words. So pronouns are replacing words, right? If you remember, I, me, she, we, they, who, that, yours, his, her, it, you must be using these words. So all these words replace nouns. So these are pronouns. Like you can say, she or her, them or they, it. So all these words are pronoun students. Now let us discuss about the kinds of pronouns. When I talk about the kinds of pronouns, we have personal pronouns, possessive pronouns, reflexive pronouns, indefinite pronouns, interrogative pronouns, and demonstrative pronouns. So students, let us first talk about personal pronoun. The word is self-explanatory. Personal pronouns refer to specific persons or things. For example, I, me, he, she, her, it, we, us, they, them. All these words are referring to a specific person. So all these words are the example of personal pronouns. Right, students? What is the function of personal pronouns? The function of personal pronoun is to refer to a specific person or thing. Right. For example, look at this sentence. Karen ate pizza. She was hungry. The word she is a personal pronoun that refers to Karen. Next is students, persons of pronoun. Right. When I talk about persons of pronoun, we have first person pronoun, second person pronoun, and third person pronoun. Right. First person pronoun means the speaker, the person who speaks. Second person means the person who is being spoken to, and third person means the person who is being spoken about. Next, let us talk about singular pronouns and plural pronouns. Students, when you were studying nouns, you discussed singular nouns and plural nouns. Same ways, when I talk about personal pronouns, right, we have singular pronouns and plural pronouns. Like if I say I is a singular pronoun and we is a plural pronoun. Like look at this picture. You is a singular pronoun, and here the person is referring to three persons. So you is again a plural pronoun. She is a singular pronoun. He is a singular pronoun. The word they is a plural pronoun, and it again is a singular personal pronoun. So students, now let us talk about possessive pronouns. Possessive pronoun are used to show ownership, but they never have an apostrophe. आप जब possessive nouns की बात करते हैं, they always carry an apostrophe. Right? For example, I say this is Sita's book. So Sita's, the word Sita is a proper noun and it has an apostrophe because it is possessive noun here. Right? But possessive pronouns never have an apostrophe. Right? And possessive pronouns show ownership. Like, those are his pencils. The word his is a possessive pronoun showing that he owns the pencil. So here we have a list wherein we have differentiated personal pronouns and possessive pronouns. Like if I talk about me is a personal pronoun. My and mine are possessive pronouns, possessive forms of pronouns. You can go through the whole list. You, personal pronoun, your and yours are possessive pronouns. Him is a personal pronoun, his is a possessive pronoun. Her is again a personal pronoun, her and hers are possessive pronouns. It, personal pronoun, its possessive pronoun. Us, personal pronoun, our and ours, possessive pronouns. Them, personal pronoun, their and theirs, possessive pronouns. Who is a personal pronoun, while whose is a possessive form of pronoun. So, students, you can go through this table to know about personal pronouns and possessive forms of pronouns. Like, look at this example, the cat is yours. So, the word yours is showing position, right? So, the word yours is a possessive pronoun. Next, students, we will talk about reflexive pronouns. So, reflexive pronouns that have self or selves added to the end, and they always refer back to their subject. For example, Bob finished the homework himself. So, the reflexive pronoun is himself referring to Bob. I just told you that reflexive pronouns refer back to their subjects. Like, you can say myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself, ourselves, yourselves, themselves. All the words have self or selves added to the end. So all these are the examples of reflexive pronouns. Students, now we will talk about indefinite pronouns. Indefinite pronouns that do not refer to a specific person or thing. For example, I say someone stole my wallet. So here in this sentence, I'm not referring to a specific person. For example, if I say Sita stole my purse, I'm here talking about a specific person. While in this sentence, when someone stole my wallet, I'm not referring to a specific person. That means that someone could be anyone. So the word someone is the indefinite pronoun taking the place of the name of the person who stole the wallet. Students, we have singular indefinite pronouns and plural indefinite pronouns. Like, you can look at the table. Another, everybody, no one. Anybody, everyone, nothing. Anyone, everything, one, anyone, much, somebody, each, neither, someone, either, nobody, something. All these words are the examples of singular indefinite pronouns. When I say both, few, many, others, several, all these words are the examples of plural indefinite pronouns. And the words like all, any, most, none, and some can be singular or plural depending on the phrase that follows them. So students, this was about indefinite pronouns, and now we will discuss demonstrative pronouns. Demonstrative pronouns are used to single out one or more nouns referred to in the sentence. For example, this, that, these, those. If I say these lemons are these lemons are sour, the word these is a demonstrative pronoun. This is a singular demonstrative pronoun, while these, the word these, is a plural demonstrative pronoun. That is again a singular demonstrative pronoun, and the word those is again a plural demonstrative pronoun. So this and these are the demonstrative pronouns which are used for the things at hand, and that and those are used to talk about distant things. So students, this was about demonstrative pronouns, and now we are going to discuss interrogative pronouns, right? Interrogative pronouns. The word is self-explanatory. Interrogative means to the word that is asking a question. So an interrogative pronoun asks a question. For example, who, whom, what, which, whose. Right, here we can have a look at the examples of interrogative pronouns: who, that, which, whose, when, where, whom. So these are the examples of interrogative pronouns. The word which is an interrogative pronoun in the sentence that I'm just going to speak, which shoes are mine. So the word which is asking a question, hence it is an interrogative pronoun. So students, now we have discussed what are pronouns and we have discussed their kinds also. Here we have given some exercises for practicing the types of pronouns, right? So please do these exercises and you will get a better understanding of pronouns. Hope the lecture must have been helpful for you to understand the kinds of pronouns. Thank you, students.